Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with a Boxycharm Premium unboxing. So this is for September 2020. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do and you like seeing Boxycharm related videos, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. Thank you guys all so much for watching. On my eyes today, I have the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and I use this green color here. It's called Fall Vibes. It's this one right here, and it's like really chunky. So my advice, if you have this, is do your eyes first, because it does have some fallout. So I just used 3 shades today. I used the Fall Vibes, and then this lighter orange and this darker orange. So just those 3 shades. It's kind of reflective, and I thought it came out really nice. It was easy to work with, and I thought the quality was good. So far I am liking it. I like the look that I came up with. And then on my lips and my glasses, I have this Folly Fire, and this is in the shade Sunset Boulevard. It's kind of like a ready, I don't know. And then I topped it with this Jordana, what is this called? Galaxy. I think these are called the Galaxy Gloss. Cosmic Glow Gloss. And it's in the shade 01. Boy, even with glasses I can't read their writing. It's the shade 01, so whatever one that is. I don't know that they still even have these. I picked it up in a Walgreens one day just on a, I was like, oh, those are kind of cool, and I picked up just a couple of them. Usually my Walgreens don't have very much Jordana in their lineup, so I don't even know how I really ended up with it, but I did. So let's see what we got in the box this month. Today is the 8th, so I did get it fairly early, but they got really lazy. Like when I went to go, I was like, this wasn't even like shut. This is how the tape part of it, this was stuck here. And when I picked it up, it was like, it just came open, and I'm thinking, wow, that was great. So we'll see how it looks on the inside. It's the blue premium. I didn't open it, so we're just gonna see what we have now. Let's see, is there a card? We got a card in this one, guys. So this one is Glam Vibes Only. So let's see, the first thing I see here is surgical stainless steel ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin, and it's by a brand called Kitsch Cleanse Ritual. I know I've seen this brand like in ponytail holders, and I even saw some, what was it? Oh, face masks they had at Ulta the other day. So this says, this ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. $18. Well, I've had a headache. What's today? Tuesday? Wednesday, Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday, and I think I've had a headache now for 3 days, so maybe that'll help my headache. Next up, Eloise the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, I'm happy to get this. I had seen this and I thought, oh, I probably won't get that. I'll probably get something else, but I got it. So nice, really beautiful packaging, and they even carried the little bit of raised stuff even onto the sleeve, which is really pretty and nice, and it feels nice and sturdy. It's $46, and there's no broken shadows. Hey, and it's got a nice big mirror, and there's the shades. Really beautiful, vibrant colors. Let's do a couple swatches. Let's do this. Throne, Majestic, Rain, and Sovereign. There's are on my fingers. Ooh, that gold is really pretty, and that turquoise, really nice. So, ooh, I'm excited to play with this. You guys know eyeshadow palettes are my thing. That is what I love to see. Maybe one day, maybe we should just come up with a box that's all eyeshadow palettes. That would be a cool, like, subscription box idea, huh? Don't steal my ideas, anybody, in case you're thinking about it, because maybe I'll do that one day. That would be a cool idea, though, wouldn't it? To, like, have all eyeshadow palettes. So 46 bucks. Wow, that's a lot. Next up here we have the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Now this is the item that I chose, and I didn't really have another choice. I think the other Marc Jacobs whatever was sold out by the time I got to the choice, and I was sitting there waiting all morning, and I missed it. So this was what I chose instead, and this says get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Ola's first, the claw comes out, mister's here, first one step at home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally, like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results. The PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they can go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive skin types. And this was $50, so I'll be interested to try this and see how it works. And then next on the list, Emma Hardy Brilliance Face Oil. Says this is a hydrating and lightweight brilliance face oil from Emma Hardy. Massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essentials that soothe and purify skin, while camellia oil offers antioxidant protection from free radicals. And this is $55. So let's see what it looks like. It's really hard for me to open up packages with my fingers the way they've been. This is nice. It comes with like a little pamphlet. Most things don't come with anything really to tell you except for like put it on day or night. Looks really nice. So I will be interested to give this a shot. It's nice that it comes with this little thing. It says Emma Hardy's Lines Not Circles Massage Technique. Interesting. So $55. And then next on here is this Frank Body, and this is their Coconut Coffee Scrub. Vacation glowing skin? Right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you a vacation. Glowy skin all year round with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I'll work my magic on stretch marks, ha ha, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliates, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations. Made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. $18.95. So it says it's got Robusta coffee, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil. Glowing vacation inside this bag. So, just I guess a coffee scrub. Let's see how it smells. Not that you guys will be able to smell it or anything, but I can let you know what it smells like. Ooh, it's gonna be a mess in the shower. Ooh, it smells like really good, but that's it. That's the color. It's gonna be messy in a shower, but I'll use it. I love body scrubs. Is that it? Oh, one more item here. Let's see what this is. This is Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. It says that this is a lip lacquer formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant-rich superfoods and cell-repairing phytonutrients, plus A and C, unprecedented shine and unstoppable wear. $29, and I got the shade Raspberry Beret. I think this is like a super, super bright color. I think I've seen this shade before. So let's see here if I'm right. Here. Wow, yeah, wow, really bright. You talk about stepping outside my comfort zone, guys. This would be it. I think this is probably one of the brightest lip products that I have. It doesn't look too bright though once, I guess it's kind of sheared out maybe. So we'll have to try it. It's actually a really pretty shade. It doesn't look as bright and intimidating as it does in the packaging. And this was $29. So that was all in the box this month. I would say this month's box was pretty good. So I'm very satisfied with this one. I'm waiting on my Boxy Luxe to get here. I haven't got a shipping notification or anything on that one yet. So I don't know when that's gonna get here. But last month, my regular base box didn't come till like the end of the month, so I didn't even do an unboxing of it because I figured why bother. The only thing I was kind of bummed that this month I saw the base box is that some people are going to get the new Alamar Spanglish palette, and I really want that one, so I'm going to be on the hunt to buy that from somebody. And I did find the, what is it, the not Alamar, the one from last month, the Violet Voss Essentials 2. I didn't get that one, so I was able to buy it online, and I got it for $8 shipped. And I think it's supposed to be here in my mailbox today as I'm making this video. So I'm excited to get that one and play with it, and hopefully I'll be able to pick up the Alamar one as well. If anybody has one in their box that they are not going to use, hit me up and let me know if you want to sell it. I'll be more than happy to buy it. So that is going to do it for the September 2020 Boxy Luxe, no, not Boxy Luxe, Boxy Premium box for this month. I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me, please. It really would help my channel out. I would love to see some growth in my channel. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, trying not to be so busy, but I'm still busy. So hopefully I will be able to make some more time. I'm going to try to see how my lighting looks if it's nighttime and I try to film, because usually I have a big window in front of me, so that's a lot of my light, and then I have a ring light. So I'm gonna have to try and see if, like, once it gets dark, how it looks. So I'll see about trying to make some more videos. If you guys have any requests, let me know down below. Leave me a comment, anything that you'd like to see. And I think that's going to do it for this month's Boxy Premium. I hope that you guys all have a great day, and I hope you guys are all doing well, and that you are staying safe. Still this, now I think they're calling it the twin-demic, because the regular flu season plus the coronavirus are both going to meet together. So I don't know what that's going to look like. Probably a mess. So I'll be staying at home as much as I can. So I hope that you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.